Orville from Smoresville and the Laminator find themselves in a mall when suddenly the doors open and in come massive amounts of bouncing, disgusting, mushy, mostly too ripe tomatoes.
Oh my God. Wait, I'm chewing on the s'more first. Hang on. Oh, wow. I usually don't put that much in my mouth at once. All right. Anyway, Laminator. What can we do about these tomatoes? They're splattering off people in the mall. Listen, one person just screamed. It's a crisis. By the way, we interrupt this game to thank Jess Lou
thank you, Jess.
for her $4.99 super chat. Thank you so much.